Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all smashing it. Well, back on, giving you a little bit of an update on the E30. Now the other night I thought I'm going to crack on with this. Most of the underside's done, so I'm almost ready for under sealing and getting all the wax oil on, all that kind of stuff. So I thought I'm going to fit the rear fuel cap. So I've cut a little section out, put that on, thought yeah, it fits really nice, it's going to be easy to do. But me being me, I thought I really like those front arches that I put on, so I'm going to go through this, but I'm wondering whether to actually carry on with the wide arch and just rein it in a little bit and do it like I wanted to do it originally. So I'm just going to show you what I've done. I want you guys to let me know what you think, whether I should carry on, whether I should keep it standard, but I'm just going to go through what I've done right now. So as I've said, I was fitting the front fuel cap and I thought I quite like the wide arches. So if you have a quick look at the front, this is basically what I did probably about 12 years ago. Really loved these. Thought it looked really nice on the car. It was a nice little addition. I made the back arches all out of fiberglass and they were just way too wide. So I've started again. Now if you look down the car, you can basically see that back arch pretty much fits in with the front arch. Now I've been having a bit of a mess about with some of the TIG wire that I've got. I'm just trying to make the arch look what I want it to be. So I don't know whether that actually shows on camera, but I've only brought the arch out probably about 10 mil here. The rear arches flare the same as the fronts. This is the basic shape that I wanted to go for. To be honest, I think that'll look quite nice, but I have spent a lot of time after I cut out all the back arches originally, putting them back to standard. So as you can see, I've basically this section, the rear arch, that's been welded back in, so that's been welded up the sides, down there, across the top, down the backs. I cut out all of this section here, so I've had to remake all that section. Obviously used original sills, you can just about see the welding, so that's original. That's part of the back arch. Made that section, made the line that goes into it, remade all that section. Pretty much did the same with the back. I don't know whether it'll show because I've cut most of it out, but that's where it was welded in. Remade all that section, and I've been thinking I want to go back to standard. So obviously bought petrol cap piece, so I can finally cut that back in because I got rid of the original one. So I was putting all that back in, and I thought I love that front arch. I don't know whether it shows with the jack being there. So I've started making a rear arch. To be honest, I think it'll look quite nice, but I don't know whether to carry on or just keep this car standard. Please let me know. Hit me up in the comments. Just give me either some inspiration or just tell me I'm being stupid and I need to put the standard wings back on it and I need to put this car back to standard. Shouldn't take too long to do. Obviously if I do the rear arches, we'll do a full process on how to do it, but I'm just in mixed minds as to whether to carry on or just leave it as it is. So I hope you like this video. I know it's a short one, but what do you guys think? I mean, I don't know whether it shows properly, but I quite like that. I think it'll match the front. But, you know, anyway, hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. As always, bringing you a lot more BMW content. Obviously, I've got loads to do on this car, but do I just carry on and get it back on the road, or do I actually try and finish it the way I wanted it? So yeah, like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video. Hope you like this one. Just let me know what you guys think. See you later.